hey, I thought I'd do this a little differently. I thought it would be cool if I had like a video journal of the next build. I don't know why I haven't thought about doing that for the other ones, but I'm going to do it for this one. I am currently working on C-3PO. If you follow me on social media, you'll know that I've been working on a C-3PO helmet that it's been in pieces, and then now it's finally together, and super excited about it. It's almost done. However, in between working on it, when I'm waiting for paint to dry and whatnot, I am working on Obi Wan Kenobi's lightsaber from episode 3. I plan to do a whole series of lightsabers. I want all of the lightsabers. I think that would be a really cool collection to have just all the lightsabers. Anyway, and at the moment I have 4 pieces. I should have started this a couple of days ago, but at the moment I have 4 pieces here. I have these 4 pieces that I have been trimming away all of the support that had to go. Then I currently have all of the rest of that. I believe it's 5 pieces or so. And then when they are all done, they will all, I think this one goes, yeah, they will all go together. I'll probably super glue them. But anyway, yeah. And what I'll probably do from here on out is I'll make little videos of the process as I go along. I think that would be a pretty cool way to document this build. I have a lot of stuff planned for the future. Look out for it. And I will see you guys soon.